Let's go guys, Ichimoku technical analysis in only 3 minutes.
Okay guys, there is a lot to say today about Origin Protocol token. Let's me remove this thumbnail and jump into it straight away. I'm on a daily time frame, so I want to show you two things. We got a very long trend line here, okay? This one started a while ago, because it started on the 9th of or 8th of April. So this one is not to be ignored, but we have another shorter trend line. This one here, which started clearly on the 6th of September because we had a massive pullback, run, pullback, run, pullback, and now it seems like we are into a run. And for the first time, we clearly break above. We broke above this trend line, which wasn't happening before. You can see here we were resisting it. It was also stopping straight up on this Kijun here for our Ichimoku cloud. So thanks to Ichimoku, you could take some profit here and knew that you have to have a stop loss here. Take profit here, sorry, not a stop loss. So today we are above. Now two things happened today. We broke above this trend line and also above our Kijun, sorry, Tenkan here. So now we got support from all of those elements here, the two elements of the Ichimoku cloud plus this trend line. Now what we want to see is this candle to close above it by the end of the day, and the next one to start above this trend line. You can see this trend line is going down, so of course if we start tomorrow we can start a bit lower, maybe I think exactly above 0.8327. If we see this happening two more times, then okay, we know we have a run coming, and the resistance gonna be here again one more time at 0.96 USDT for the pair. Now, another interesting things to notice is our lagging. The lagging is exactly where sit our candle here 26 days in the past, okay? It's 26 period before. And this one is now dealing with a massive candle here. A big candle is usually a massive resistance for the lagging. So what we are seeing here, normally, if you look only at your lagging, you're gonna say, okay, for sure, almost certain that it's not going to go above here, crossing it, because it's too big. It should go down here, because it's easier for a lagging to avoid all the resistance before getting away. A lagging usually get away the candle when we have like doji candle here, or 3 doji candle like here. It's easy for it to exit. So at the moment, I expect this lagging to go like this, okay? To go toward here before exiting here. So we have time, right? But we can see we got a bull trend coming up here. So if our candle was going to close where we are now, but then tomorrow it means our lagging clearly break inside our massive candle, which is kind of unexpected, all right? So you need to watch out for a pullback, guy, because this breakup on our trend line might be just a test, and we might reject the test very soon before the end of the day and go bearish one more time and keep staying in between those trend line before a while goes on, before all of this is over here. And you can see, if I'm looking at what right now here, before we can go bullish again, we'll take 10 bars, so about 10 days, exactly 10 days, which is about the end of our trend line here. You see the cross here. So based on this, I don't expect to see a massive bull run, okay, and a massive run. If we still going up by the end of the day, then we have this 0.96 possible. Yeah, it's possible we go 0.96 before the end of the day, but we should close around where we are, even lower. We should close lower than our trend line and keep pushing toward here before getting a proper run based on the element of the Ichimoku. Of course, there is other things we can look at and deeper, but the video should be only 3 minutes. It has been already 5 minutes now. I'm sorry for that. If you want me to do more technical analysis about Origin Protocol, let me know, guys. Leave a comment and please subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.
Alright guys, let's subscribe to Style iCrypt YouTube. Ichimoku technical analysis. Ichimoku, Ichimoku, the best. Ichimoku, 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 Skylight Clip on YouTube. Subscribe.
Bonjour.